What it do, y'all? It's your boy Don, and we back with another video, man. Video after video after video, man. We getting them done. We knocking them out, man. I told y'all it's gonna be some more videos. Now, probably ain't the kind of video you guys want to see. I know you guys want to see car meets, awesome, cool cars, and me too. I generally do, and I want to go to like a daytime meet. But like every time I get off work at 6, home by 7. You know, y'all know the Taco Tuesday meet we used to go to damn near every week when I was working at ACV. That was more convenient because I get off at ACV. I get off work at like 5 o'clock, so that was more convenient. So like the Taco Tuesday meet are in Gaithersburg. I get off work at I think it started at 7 or 8. No, I think it started at 8, 7 or 8. But you know, I'm off at 6. You know, I want to come home, you know, shower and change first. I don't want to go in my work clothes smelling like grease and shit. And then them niggas started charging for parking in a public fucking parking lot. What the fuck kind of dumb shit is that? I'm sorry. How laws and guys, I'm sorry, but to me that's just stupid to me. That's just me though. Call me cheap, call me biased, whatever the fuck you want to say. I'm a cheap ass nigga, I guess. What the fuck ever. I just think that shit's stupid and niggas want to start charging for parking out in a public fucking parking lot. But whatever. Beyond me. But that's why we don't go to that meet no more. And I would love to go to the Sonic meet, but you know that's in Frederick, and yeah, I get off work at 6, you know, be home by 7, you know how that goes. But I guess, you know, I don't have to go home and change. But you know, recently I haven't been dropping the GTR, so I haven't drove the GTR in like 2 weeks now, almost 3 weeks, giving it a nice little break. But yeah, man, let's get on with the video. That's not what we're talking about. That's not what we're doing. By the title of the video and thumbnail, if I get a good thumbnail, I can never really get a good thumbnail. But we got the Sonata here. We're going to be doing a radiator on. So we got the brand new radiator right here in this box. And then we got the radiator, a brand new radiator cap. Yeah. Now, from what I'm told, I guess he went somewhere and had it looked at. They said the radiator was cracked. So that's why his car was kind of overheating and was getting hot. That's why he had to keep putting coolant in it. And I'm not sure if he said it was getting hot or not. I don't remember. But yeah, that's what it's doing. The radiator has a crack in it. So we're going to take the radiator out, man, and let's bring you guys along with me, you know what I'm saying? So I already took the intake, the little tube out, whatever is right there. And you probably don't need to take this off, for real, but I'm going to take it off. And then actually, you might actually need to, and it might be helpful. But also you got some tins, look about 2, 3, 6 tins, and then you got a couple of these like screws. These Phillips screw clips right here. So it's what, 1, 2, 3. There's 6 of those as well. So we're gonna take those off, and this goes to the grill, so the grill can detach from this panel right here. So we're gonna take these 6 clips out and these 6 tin bolts out, and then we're gonna go from there. So as I can see, we already got the car up on the ramps. Then we're gonna go into here. We're gonna actually take this under tray off, because we gotta get to, well, maybe we don't need to actually, because if I can remember from when I worked at Hyundai, yes, if you guys didn't know, I worked at Hyundai, worked at Toyota for what, 5 years, worked at Nissan for about 1.5 years, and then worked at Hyundai for about 1.5 years as well. But yeah, if I can remember. But yeah, this is like the whole like bottom like casing that it holds. But yeah, we're actually gonna try to find the drain tube for the radiator, so we can drain the radiator. Actually, that's what we're gonna try to look for first, for real. And I see it leaking right here, so I'm assuming the crack is down here somewhere. This bolt is leaking right there. So I'm actually gonna find the drain tube, the little drain tube, so I can drain the radiator while we take the things off up top. But I might take this off too. Don't really. Well, no, I might have to anyway. So, yeah, we're gonna take all this off. And I'm sorry if I'm super close, but yeah, we're gonna take the under tray off. So, let's get to it right now. Okay, y'all, we back with it just for a quick second, man. Took the clips out, took the bolts out. That didn't help with nothing. It didn't help with absolutely nothing. But that's okay, because it's not really in the way. So we ain't really gotta worry about that, because it's not really in the way. Still gotta take the under tray off, but the coolant is now drained, as you can see. And then I just took the upper radiator hose off. Took the slide the clip back. Slid off pretty easily. We actually drained it from the bottom, like the screw, the little drain screw I was talking about. Yep, got that off. The cooler's all drained. So now what I'm gonna do is take the fans off now. And so do with that is I'm gonna take, there's a couple of tins. I'm gonna take this tin bolt off right here. And then there's another tin bolt right here on this side. And down there is just a little slide. It just slides in. So it's really just 2 tins. And then it slides up out of place. So I'm going to take these 2 tins off. And then we're going to slide this fan out of place. So let's get it. Honestly, I really seriously might have to take this off. Because this is the bumper. So I might have to take the bumper off. I don't know. I don't have to. But more space. Just to get that more space. I might, but we'll see. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take those 2 tins off and I'm gonna take the fans off. So let's get it.
Thank you. Hi.
Alright, gang, as y'all can see, I'm down here on the ground. Taking the lower radiator hose off. I just took the shield off from underneath. Now we're about to take this little radiator hose off. Got the pan back under here because I know there will be some leftover coolant coming out. Did he get coolant?
Oh, he has coolant in his car.
It ain't good enough. I know for a fact whatever he got ain't enough. I'll tell you that right now. That boy better pray I got some in there. Better pray I got some coolant for him. He should have bought another one. I told him to get that another one. No, nobody listen to the black man. Okay? Anticlimactic. But hey, that's okay. That's good. That's good. But yeah, as you see, got the fan. Got that shield under there. Splash shield, whatever the hell you want to call it. Got a drink.
Blue moon. Lady.
Yeah, man. So now we gotta take the radiator out. If I can figure out how to take it out.
Oh.
Okay, this is stupid.
Mm-hmm.
Damn,
Welcome to
this is stupid only because.
Welcome to Hyundai, people.
No, this is stupid only because this transmission cooler lines. Transmission cooler lines are connected to the radiator.
That is so stupid.
I need to take those out. Hopefully I got something to plug these lines with, which I think I do. I think I got some old spark plugs I can stick in there to hold off the fluid. Alright, y'all, we back. Got some old ass spark plugs. So when I take these hoses off, we're gonna plug the hoses with these ends of the spark plugs. Let's see. Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah? Hell yeah.
Remember they did that for my birthday? I was like, wow, okay.
We got them pliers specifically for the hoses. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Here you go.
There we go.
Oh, there it is.
Okay. Okay, now we got that one plugged. Try to sit it upright to the best. Just doesn't matter, it's okay. Man, y'all, I'm super excited, y'all. It's a short week. It's a short work week, and I'm super excited.
Oh, look. GTR. Hello. I'm back to you.
Okay, gang. Let's see. Can we slide this out of here? Oh, well, we have to take the bumper off. We might have to take it. I really don't want to. It's kind of fucking waste more time, but to do it right, to do it properly,
We might just have to.
might just have to. Might just have to. So. Yeah, I might end up just taking the bumper off, y'all. So, I mean, we got a 10 mil right here. One on the other side. We got one right here in this corner. Same thing on the other side. And that should be it. So, with that being said,
We'll be back.
let's take these 10s off. Sonatas are kind of easy to work on.
They are. They just assholes to work on.
It's just their little problems.
Yeah.
They suck. But they're pretty easy to work on.
Sensitive ass cars. Sorry. Woo!
You gotta pull it. Don't be afraid to pull it. Pull it.
No. I had one.
Pull it. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Well, hello.
Cheer. Cheers. Great news. It is out. Just toss that shit to the side, you know? We got new one anyway.
Oh, my lord.
But, yeah. Old radiator is out. I'm curious to see what like this crack is at. Like I told you, I seen it leaking a little bit from the bottom. Oh, that's okay. Work shoes, that's okay. So I seen it, but we got some residue right here, so it looked like it might be somewhere right here. I'm just curious to see where it's at.
Me too.
But we're kind of on the crunch time, just for daylight. I mean, it's 7:42. Got about an hour, a little less than an hour of daylight. But yeah, I was a little curious. But yeah, old one is out now. Actually, let me keep this over here because we're gonna have to transfer these lines over to the new radiator if they didn't come with it. I don't know. I haven't seen the radiator yet in person, the new one yet. So hopefully they came with the new lines. If not, then we just have to transfer them.
I think they did.
Hopefully I got these bolts, these tools. Yep, I got some of them. And they did come with the new line. Let's go. Bro, this is a little ass fucking radiator.
That's what I said.
Like, isn't me, y'all? This look the fucking same.
It looked the same.
Is it the same?
Just a little. Oh.
No, that's not the
not
same.
The same. Uh-oh. So, aftermarket.
It's not the same, y'all.
That's what the
Not
guy
same.
gave us. Sonata SE.
I did all this work for it to be the wrong fucking radiator. Well, unfortunately, guys, don't look like the radiator will be getting replaced today. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how close he is. I don't know how fast he can get another one, get the proper one. But as you guys see, this is not the proper one.
Hello.
So, what it do, y'all? We back with it, man. Different day, same video, but guess what? What do we got?
We got the right
Radiator.
radiator.
Yeah. She said rotor. Let's pretend like she didn't. Actually, start it over. What it do, y'all? We back with it. Same video, different day, obviously. Tell them what we got.
We got the right radiator.
Yeah. Hell yeah, y'all. We got the right radiator today. It is the next day. It is Tuesday. It's approximately 7:36.
No.
What you mean?
If this nigga don't stop talking in my video. No, but yeah, man, we got the right radiator this time, man. So let's throw this bitch back in there. And then, honestly, I don't know. Maybe I'll show y'all whatever. It's the same thing. It's just reverse way. So I might not show y'all too much as far as putting it back, but well, it's just a reverse way. But let's do it. Hey, I might do a little time lapse. Who knows? But Let's get it. What's up, gang? We back with it, man. As I can see, putting a little air scoop on here. We back. And man, the most annoying thing, bro, I hate the Sonata under tray. This glass shield. Worst shit ever. Worst shit ever. But, as I can see, back with it. We about to fill it up with coolant after we do this. And then, yeah, we're gonna find out if we get heat or not.
The fuck? Woo! Don't.
And then we're gonna find out if we can have the AC or not. So, yeah, we'll be back with y'all. Alright, y'all, we back with it, man. Pouring coolant into the radiator, man. I have a funnel, but my slow ass can't seem to know how to make it work right now. So, we're pouring coolant into the radiator, man. Then we're gonna start the car. Y'all know the cycle. Turn the heat on blast, have the car running. You know, get all the get all the air bubbles out of the system, you feel me? And we're running out of coolant in 3, 2, 1. Time was a little off. But yeah, I get the point. So we're gonna find some more coolant real quick and then we'll bring it back. Alright, gang, what it do? Sorry about that, man. We just wrapped the car all up for real. Like, obviously did everything off camera. Everything was just the reverse way. The system actually blipped pretty fast. Radiator's good, no leaks, and none of that. Had to put some oil in the car. You know, got no Hyundais. Sick now. But yeah, got it all wrapped up. Car's running good. Car's running better. And yeah, man. That's pretty much it. About to roll out. You want to take your stuff?
Take your coolant with you? Oh yeah.
And then oh, battery about to die, gang. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna stretch this video out any longer for real, y'all. You know, just another mechanic video, trying to showing y'all some stuff, showing those out there who want to do things themselves. You know, you can do it yourself. So, basic tool set. But yeah, man, your boy Don's, we signing out. Peace, man. Until the next video. See y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let's grow the channel, man. Road to 300 subs. Let's get it.
Put the lights on.